Pinag-aaralan ng prosecution at defense team ang panukala ni Presiding Judge Cheese Escudero na palitan ang kanilang mga tagapagsalita na kabilang sa listahan ng kanilang mga legal counsel. Yan ang umaarangkadang balita ni J.M. Pineda.
Mention of the body.
Bago mag-adjourn ang ikasyam na araw ng impeachment trial ni VP Sara Duterte kahapon, isang mungkahi ang iniwan ni Presiding Officer, Senator Judge Francis Cheese Escudero, patungkol sa mga tagapagsalita ng magkabilang kampo ng prosecution at defense.
As the trial goes on, it might take its toll with respect to the spokespersons and counsels at the same time being able to distinguish between the merits of the case and purely procedural observations and or facts. So you might want to consider, in order to give a freer hand, nominating a spokesperson that's purely a spokesperson that is not limited by the rules of the impeachment court with respect to what he or she can say.
Sa ngayon, si Attorney Michael Powa ang tumatayong spokesperson para sa defense, habang si Attorney Benjamin Tolosa Jr. naman ang sa prosecution. Pareho rin silang kabilang sa listahan ng mga legal counsel ng prosecution at defense panel. Ayon kay Senate Impeachment Court spokesperson, Attorney Reggie Tonggol, nagpaalala lang ang presiding officer lalo pat posibleng malabag nila ang Rule 18 kung saan makapagsabi sila ng mga merito ng kaso sa labas ng korte. Maingat naman umano ang dalawang tagapagsalita, pero habang gumugulong ang impeachment trial, mas mahirap daw na balansihin ang kanilang trabaho. Sagot naman ni Powa, ikukonsulta pa nila kay VP Sara ang naging suwestyon ng impeachment court.
So this is something that I cannot decide by myself. It will be something that I will have to talk to the Vice President about and hear her thoughts on the matter. And if ever, then we'll let you know. At the end of the day, whatever she thinks is best and whatever I can do to contribute to help, in this impeachment proceeding, I'm willing to do either.
Ilalatag muna ng defense team sa Vice Presidente ang advantage at disadvantage ng magiging desisyon ng kanilang kampo. Nauna naman nang sinabi ni Attorney Powa na dagdag trabaho kung maglalagay ng spokesperson na hindi kasama sa counsel ng defense team. Kailangan pa raw kasi itong gabayan sa mga sasabihin sa media. Ang hanay naman ng prosecution panel, pag-uusapan muna kung papalitan ba ang kanilang tagapagsalita.
We will bring that up with Attorney J. Tolosa, no? And ever since naman, we are always deciding as a team, no? So we will be consulting each other as to the best action to take.
We said all decisions of the prosecution, whether it be public or private, is always consultative, collegial, and collegial.
Pero nakadepende pa rin daw kay Attorney Tolosa kung aalis bilang counsel o mananatiling spokesperson ng prosecution team. Ako si J.M. Pineda ng PRTV News, nagseserbisyo para sa Pilipino.